saying sorry video about XRP, because XRP has been very very bullish since basically since I made the video yesterday in which I said that it would drop down further. So I'm sorry for that. I mean, I did not expect this bullish momentum. It seems a little bit weird as well. Like the volume, obviously, it's influenced by Bitcoin's bullish momentum. That seems pretty clear. But then apart from that, I mean, you take a look at these moves. Like if you take a look at it on the 5 minute time frame, like there were these big spikes yesterday evening that actually caused most of the bullish momentum. And then I think this is actually normal price behavior when it continued going up. But it seems like some big whales have bought into XRP, which I did not expect. I'm not sure if I could have expected it in my defense. But we did talk about a possibility like this, right? Because now it actually seems like XRP, and that could be broken, but it seems like XRP right now is just in one major consolidation like this, right? So this is basically the area in which it has been consolidating since the beginning of September. And we talked about this when the price was trying to break above 49.5 and 50 cents. But then it broke down below towards 48 cents, and it was showing absolutely no momentum at that point of time. That I said, I don't see any way it can recover. So I think it will drop down further, and then from there we'll see whether something is possible from there. But yesterday, like I said, I mean it got some bullish momentum, and then it received some major buys by whales, by funds, whatever it is. Which was actually at the same point of time, Bitcoin rallied a lot. All right. So it definitely was influenced by Bitcoin. They probably both influence each other. Maybe there's some sort of a connection with the Bitcoin ETFs being approved with the SEC and the link that Ripple has with the SEC. I don't know. That's just speculation. But the situation is that XRP is bullish, or at least it's bullish on the short term. Because what we'll see is whether XRP will be able to break out of this range. So that's 53 and 54 cents, and really become bullish. Because right now, most likely scenario is always that the market structure holds.
This is Black Tiger Miner. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. Shout out to the XRP Army for hanging in there. I hate to be the I told you so guy, but I told you so, right? I told you it's been consolidating, and at some point, XRP was going to take off. And we can see in the last hour, it's down 1.32%. In the last 24 hours, it's up 6.84%. In the last 7 days, it's up 7.82%. And I found this article on Crypto Potato. Anybody know anything about Crypto Potato? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I see I'm getting more comments lately. But go ahead and hit the like button now and give me a comment. Let me know where you're from, how long you've been holding XRP, and what do you think the price will be for XRP by the end of the year. So this is why is XRP up today? XRP surged 7% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.51, which is 51 cents, surpassing a significant resistance at 50 cents. And that is true. We finally got over the 50-cent mark. The price increase mainly attributed to SEC clearing Ripple's CEO and executive chairman of allegations of security violations from 2020. Imagine that. XRP increased the total by 7% throughout the 24 hours and is currently among the best performing of the top 10 cryptos by means of market capitalization. The crypto is trading at 51 cents above a major psychological and technical resistance level of 50 cents. It has recently been tried to break above, but the bulls were unable to sustain the price, and XRP is falling back below. It's interesting to see if it will manage to surpass it convincingly this time. Then it goes into the reasons it's up again about the legal battle between XRP and the SEC. Earlier, the SEC cleared Ripple CEO Brad Ginzenhouse and the company executive chairman Chris Larson of all allegations in a long-standing security case violation. The lawsuit against them filed in 2020 when the watchdog asserted that Ripple has been distributing XRP without registering asset as security, therefore violating relevant regulations, which was a lot of crap. But this was a attempt for the SEC to slow down XRP, right? If you don't know that, I don't know how I can tell you or explain it to you, but it was definitely a momentum stopper for crypto. While this is most likely the reason, it's also worth noting that the entire cryptocurrency market is also in the green today, possibly propelling some of XRP's gains. The uptick has been treated with other altcoins as well. Solana is trading above 26.3 today, up over 10% in the last 24 hours. So, as we can see, once the war started to break out, people have been investing more in crypto. Is what I've been telling you guys. As any instability comes to the market, people take their money out the banks and put it somewhere else, usually in silver, gold, or now crypto. But this is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. Don't empty your bank account and buy XRP. I do have another video from Austin. What's this guy's name? Austin Hilton, and he's talking basically about the same information about the lawsuit.
Executives of Ripple. Now they're specifically dropping the case against Garlinghouse and the chairman Larson, and we're going to talk about what this means. Also, this is not the SEC dropping their case against Ripple completely. This is just dropping it against the executives. So we're going to take a look at that, what this really means, as well as take a look at the current price action of the crypto market and obviously XRP in that. Okay, so thanks for stopping by. If you haven't already done so, hit that like button below and please consider subscribing because I make content every single day for you guys to help you navigate crypto. Okay, so remember that the SEC had included Garlinghouse and Larson as basically defendants in the securities violation case. Okay, so again, they have now dropped their pursuit of those two individuals in the context of this case. Now, so what this really means is that since they will no longer, the SEC, pursue claims against Ripple CEO Brad and Executive Chairman Chris, uh, basically they accuse them of aiding and abetting the company in violation of securities laws, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But what it also means is that it allows the SEC to continue to move forward with the original case and not have this pinned to that, if that makes sense. Okay. So the SEC is kind of like probably looking at it going, look, we really, internal dialogues are probably like, we really don't have a lot of, room to stand here as far as pursuing these two individuals because we, the SEC, lost the majority of the case when the judge handed down the fact that the selling of XRP on public exchanges like crypto.com and Coinbase was not a securities violation, right? So these are the things we know. And so I think, again, this is a move by the SEC, in their view, possibly to kind of continue to move their case forward for their appeal and all that kind of stuff. It is not the SEC dropping the case against Ripple, period, which would have been way better. Okay. Now, moving on and kind of shifting, I think it is this piece of information that has absolutely sparked the crypto market. I personally believe I think there's some misunderstanding out there about this SEC dropping the lawsuit. I think there's confusion, right? I think there's people out there thinking that, oh, okay, this is the SEC dropping charges against Ripple. No, that's not what it is. I hope that's not what the context is. But again, it is sparking this rally, which is a good thing, right? Up 3+%. Obviously, Bitcoin, Ethereum up basically 3.5 respectively. It is XRP that is taking the show, up basically 7+%, trading at 51 cents. I haven't looked at the volume this morning, but look right here. The volume is up 120+%. So a tremendous amount of trading volume going on. So if we take a look at the chart right here, this is the trading view chart, we can see right here we were rolling along and then the news came out right here, and then we got this massive green candle spike.
So let's thank Austin Hilton for his information about the what's really going on with the case. So they didn't drop the whole case, they just dropped some of the case. So I think a lot of people did rush to judgment there and don't quite know what's really going on. So no worries there. Let's look at the prices real quick. So for XRP, it's at 50 or 0.52, 52 cents. Market cap is 26.7 billion. Trading volume today is 1.7 billion. Volume versus market cap is 6.18. And last hour it's down 99.99%. Last 24 hours is up 6.71. Last 7 days it's up 7.44%. Last 30 days it's up 0.2%. Last 90 days is down 32.49%, and for the year, it's up 13.61%. Current supply is 53.4 billion. Total supply is 99.9 billion. Max supply is 100 billion. 24-hour range is 8.20. 24-hour low is 0.0485, which is 48 cents. 24-hour high is 0.528, which is 52 cents. And then for coin market cap, says it's up 6.79% for the day. Market cap is 27.8 billion. It's up 6.79%. The trading volume is 1.8 billion, and that's up 129.18%. And see if there's any latest news here. Talking about something else. XRP appears to be, let's see, top. What happened here? Okay, here. Just in, SEC drops lawsuit against Ripple execs. Lawsuit against Ripple execs. The delay of ETFs and other tactics to block the flow of cash into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency won't last. Sooner or later, the money will flow into our market. We are about to witness one of the biggest capital redistributions in history. And more about the Ripple execs. So we'll go to CoinMarketCap has Ripple ranked number 5, and it's up 6.8% to 0.52, which is 52 cents. Market cap is 28.1 billion. Trading volume is 1.3 billion in the last 24 hours. Fully diluted evaluation is 52.6 billion. Circulating supply is 53.4 billion. Total supply is 99.9 and max supply is 100 billion. And here we go for the last 24 hours. Its low was 0.477, which is 47 cents. And the high is 0.528, which is 52 cents. Last 7 days, 0.0479. And last 7-day high is 0.0520. Rank is 5th. All-time high is $3.40, and that's down 84.52%. And that was 6 years ago, January 7th, 2018. But this is Black Tiger Miner giving you some updates about Ripple and about the Ripple lawsuit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Shout out to the XRP Army, and let me know what you think about the lawsuit and the current price, and if the current price is going to continue to go up. But I'll let you get back to your Friday. Happy Friday, and let's get back to the money.